So there are different reasons that we need to go deeper and know them and try to make messages that respond to that behavior and that messages that can help people to use those hand washing facilities. Yes, but knowing that they have also their own reasons of that.
That are there, but people behavior is not it's not well shown.
So far, we are recensing a kind of 463 systems. So it's a big number, but now I cannot really say it's a given number of kilometers or water supply that are no longer functioning. But the initiative from the Ministry of Infrastructure and WASAG, they are here. It's that we are rehabilitating the systems.
Being closer to the community leaders, so it's better we recommend that community leaders be trained to train others to multiply communication. Because I believe some of the actions here can be done before any funding, like sensitization, like the distribution. You know, instead of distributing onto the schools, how can we distribute also to other places? Maybe being closer to the facility.
So if they only get one jerrycan and they are 10 or 5, they can say it is affordable. So for a small proportion that access to clean water, so I'm wondering if you captured this question.
Minimize the duplication that could happen. The Ministry of Health could be doing this, at the same time the Ministry of Infrastructure is doing this, or WASAC is doing this. Same thing is happening. But if we could have that platform, it could help us. And then also, once we have that platform, we could also establish and have some guidelines, the functionality, so that at the next time we are even able to evaluate about where we've come from and where we're heading. Thank you.
Unfortunately, 40% of them, of the 1.6, they are from Africa. If we do our math again, it's around 640 million people affected from our continent. And Rwanda is not an island. If we look at some of the figures we have, mostly intestinal worms, the prevalence is around 41%. And adults, which means us sitting here, they are the most affected at around 48%.